Hi, this is Mike at Cleveland Tool. In a previous video, I just showed how to use the rivet removal tool, the RRT4, to drill out button head rivets. Now I want to show you how to do a flush, drill out a flush rivet. So what we want to do here is we want to take the same size drill bit that we used to drill the hole. In this case, this is a 3/32 rivet using a number 40 drill bit. And what we want to do is we just want to take the drill bit and put it in the center of the rivet. Hopefully that divot is still there in the center. It makes it much easier. If not, you can kind of put some pressure down on the drill and give it a couple turns. Now this is where it's super important that you're using 135-degree split point drill bits, because the split point comes to an absolute point in the middle. You don't need a center punch to do that at all. You just set it on the material and, like I said, high pressure and just a few turns to get it started. So that'll give you a point if you don't already have the dimple that comes in the rivet still there. So now I'm going to, like I said, start with that, and you want to start slow. Some people like to use an electric drill for this because you can start slow. This drill happens to be very controllable, so I can just start it at a low RPM and just kind of keep moving the drill bit. I guess you would say the angle of the drill bit, so you're chasing the drilled hole toward the center all the time as it wants to. Switch cameras here, see if you can see that any better. It wants to go offside a little bit, off center. And so now I'm going to go at a severe angle, drilling it back toward the center. And then just keep drilling until you're about the depth of the rivet head deep. And then take a drive pin punch. These come in our builder's kits. This is a 332 drive pin punch. We also have an 1/8 inch. Put the drive pin punch in that hole and just kind of wiggle it a little bit. And what you'll do is you'll break off that head. It's not quite deep enough yet. Oh, there it goes. So you would wiggle side to side to break off that head, and then you could finish drilling out if you needed to. Doing it that way with the same size drill bit in a dimpled hole, it'll drill around the rivet, and you'll end up with drilling the center of that rivet out, so that you're drilling. There's a little edge around there, because when in a dimpled hole, when you set the rivet, the rivet expands sideways and fills the hole. So you're not really touching the existing hole. And that way, you don't have to drill, you don't have to use a larger rivet in the same size hole. So that's my quick video on how to drill a rivet out. If you have any questions, just give me a call. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.